Hello, today we're going to learn how to make these crochet gift boxes. Aren't they cute? You're going to need yarn, a crochet hook, scissors, and a darning needle. You start with the slip knot. If you don't already know how to do this, we can have a separate video to show you. But if you've crocheted before, you already know how to start with a slip knot and chain a number of chains depending on the size of the box. I did 13. Once you get to the end, you turn back and single crochet all through the chain, and you'll have to repeat this until you get 13 rows. I'm going to write down just this procedure also as we go along so you don't miss it at the bottom of the screen. You want 13 rows, so 13 chains, 13 rows. So it has to be a square. Remember, it's single crochet all through. Crochet into the same that last stitch. You single crochet once, you chain one, and then single crochet once for that corner. But then in the next stitch, you just continue with normal single crochet. I'll write it down again so that nobody misses it. So you do this on all the corners. You do single crochet all through, and then at the corner stitch you do single crochet, chain one, single crochet. Once you're done with that, you'll have to now the next row you'll have to single crochet 2 in the middle of the corner stitch. Single crochet 2. We're about to do that. So you single crochet into the middle. You remember the chain one you put in the earlier row. You single crochet there, then single crochet. Make sure you single crochet 2, then you chain 1, and then single crochet 2 in the same stitch, that corner stitch. That is what will start making your corner become curved. You make your corners curve and give them that nice shape. I'll write down everything you need for the rows in case you've missed it in the video. So that row, so the first row, the first row. So from here we'll alternate between in the corners. You single crochet all through, and then when you get to the corner stitch, you single crochet 2, chain 1, single crochet 2 in the corner stitch, and then chain 1 all through until the next corner, just that. And then that is one row, and then the next row will be single and the corner stitch. You just single crochet through, then at the corner stitch you single crochet into the middle of the chain one you made earlier, and then skip the 2 and continue single crocheting all through. I'll again write that down just to make sure that, and we'll alternate those rows, those two sets of rows, throughout single crochet, but then there's a difference in the corners. Do that all through until we attain desired height. I'm going for a cube shape, a square kind of. So I'm going to do another 13 rows going up. So I did 13 chain, 13 rows, make sure that your last row has to be the one that does not include that is chain is skip single crochet, skip 2 single crochet again. That's what we're going for as your last. That has to be your last row. Again, I'll write that down. Make sure that's your last row so that it gives you that nice square finish. You'll also need to do a bit of shaping with your hands, but as you can see, it's already a pretty convincing box. But you need to shape it a little bit with your hands. You can also use a firmer yarn, a different kind of yarn that will automatically be firm and no need much shaping. Now we're going to make the cover because that was just the bottom. So the cover is pretty much what we did with the bottom, except it's wider but shorter. So we start as usual with a slip knot chain. So on this one, because my bottom was 13 stitches, 13 chains, this one I will add 2, so this will be 15 stitches. It will be at the same shape, the same size, but the same shape, the same way that I made the first and the bottom. But I'll do this, my foundation is 15 stitches, and I'll make sure that I stick with the 15 stitches, 15 rows. The only thing I want to do is 15 rows height. I don't want it to be very high because it's only a cover. But we'll get to that. So you see we have our box there, square. It's 15. This is the cover of the gift box. So we do 15 across, and we do the same thing we did with the corners. So that's the most important. That's what shapes this box. So you make sure that you do the same thing with the corners. Again, I'll write it down here just to be sure. See, it's already started forming that nice corners. It's starting to look like a box. So I did 6 rows. Later I thought I should have done